But you know, I do things the hard way now. Watch the ring.
Sheesh.
Open your eyes.
Then, nung pagbulat ko ng mata, lahat ng energy nawala sa akin.
Was I touching her? Ano yung name ng person? Colleen.
Tapos tapos nagulat ako, narinig ko yung sasabihin ko palang na pangalan na sabi niya na.
Alright, nandito kami sa The House of Collab Season 8 na pala. This is Nomer Mind Master. Kasama ko syempre.
Tio Bray, ang paborito niyong Tio, yes.
Yan, nandito kami. Wala sa plano, manggugulat kami.
Okay guys, so meron tayong special guest. And I would like you to try kung ano yung gagawin ko. May finger na lalabas dito. And all you have to do is touch it. Pero dalawang content creators lang. Who wants to try? Nika and Ace.
Ah! Ay, ayoko pala. Ala! Oh my God!
Parang babae siya.
Ayan!
Ba't wala sa kanya?
Ba't wala sa kanya?
Manhid ba siya?
Bakit ba?
Masakit.
So wala akong bad eh.
Ganon.
Hello everyone.
Sabi ko na
Nahulaan mo? My name is Nomer and I am a mentalist. I read minds for a living. I do hypnosis. I read minds. Nabanggit ko na ba yan?
Yeah.
Mentalist ako pero makakalimutin ako. Na-mention ko na I read minds. Alright. I propose to demonstrate for you guys. Everybody right now, like, think of random numbers in your head. 3-digit number, 2-digit number. Have it in your mind. Pwedeng 333. Pero mas gusto ko sana random. Like, make it really random. Would you be so kind to join me up here? You'll get this nice round of applause from everyone.
Yeah.
My name is Nomer. What is your name?
I'm
Chanel.
Chanel.
We will borrow your phone. And Chanel, I'm gonna write a prediction. A prediction is not for now, it's for later. That's why it's called a prediction. Think of your random numbers.
Yung ginawa pong magic sa amin is yung sa numbers. Pinapili po kami ng random numbers and
Chanel, turo ka sa akin ng 3 or 4 from them.
parang naisip ko na po na baka huhulaan na lang po.
Sino? Ace. Okay. Sino si Ace? Okay, hindi siya nagbibigay ng reaction. Okay. Okay. Think of your random numbers. Don't say it. Sa isip lang. Next.
Mitch.
Okay. Next.
Scarlett.
Who's Scarlett? Okay. Think of your random number. Palitan mo yung second digit, yung number 3. Think of another person, a number. Okay? Yes, 2 digits. Yep. Lastly. Okay. I'm gonna write something.
Pero may twist pa pala kasi ang dami niyang inask.
This for me. Put it inside your pocket. Borrow your phone. I will go to your calculator. Yung tunay na calculator, hindi yung secret calculator. Okay. Oh, nakita ko yung budget niya for the week. Sino yung mga binanggit kanina? Okay. Sino yung una? Mitch, no? Ace. Ace, for the first time, ano yung number na naisip mo? 27. Type 27. Okay. Hit times. Next person. Times. Next person. 1.5. And then hit multiply again. 75.
Like, mga content creators ng numbers and then times yun.
Now hit divide. Hindi ako titingin. Think of any 2-digit number. Sa isip lang.
Iba po dun sa isang buhay.
Iba pa.
Then divided dun sa random number na pinili ko. And then,
Then hit equals. What's the total?
91,024.
Can you show it to them? 91,024. I gave you a prediction earlier. Show it to them. 91,024.
Same siya. Kasi natandaan ko kagad nung sinulat niya. Medyo matandaan ako. And then, pagkaharap pa lang sa akin ng calculator, talagang napasabi ko, wow, oh my God, paano nangyari yan?
It's called deja vu. I get yung insight bago pa may mangyari. You know, na-experience nyo na yung deja vu? But I have a version for deja vu. It's called Vuja Day. Baligtad naman. Nangyari muna bago ako nagkaroon ng insight. What is the date today? Because that's the date today. September 10, 2024.
It's the same date ngayon, September 10, 2024.
Oo nga, no.
What are the odds? You can have it as a souvenir. That's it muna for me. Meron pa akong i-introduce sa inyo. My best friend, my content creator partner, my content creation partner. Mamaya, I'm gonna be reading more minds mamaya. Now I'm calling in ang paborito nyong tito, Tio Bray.
Thank you guys. Thank you for having us here. Yun lang. Dito lang naman kami para mag-guest and also to inspire you guys din for, you know, for healing and stuff. Yung third eye guys, huwag kayo matakot sa third eye. Kasi yung third eye, tinakot tayo ng society na kung bumubuksan yung third eye mo, makakakita kang multo, di ba? Parang ganon. Pero sa totoo lang, ang use ng third eye hindi para sa multo. Ang use ng third eye is your connection with God. So the more ideas na binabagsak niya, dun mo natatanggap yun sa third eye mo. And then yung third eye mo, pagbukas yan, hindi kayo na-anxiety, nakakatulog ka ng maayos, hindi ka madaling ma-shake ng mga bagay-bagay. So yun ang ng third eye talaga. Biggest purpose ng third eye. Hindi siya yung para sa multo.
So is it okay na i-open?
Yes. Yes. Kasi the more nalalaman mo na yung tao is for you. Halimbawa, yung tao, nakita mo, nakasama mo, makikita mo sa kanya na iba intention nito, mararamdaman mo kagad.
Basa kasi ako.
Yung aura ng tao, yun yun.
Parang unang kita ko, ay hindi ko ito gusto. Pangalawa, bakit ayaw ko siya, gustuhin ko siya, pero...
Actually, yung sa'yo, kita ko na, nakita mo, gumanon ako sa'yo, di ba? Kita ko na kagad.
Parang siyang extra sense talaga.
Kita ko na yung
Alam ko hindi
sa
ko.
aura mo. Hindi. Totoo yan.
Sige. Can I do one more? Okay lang? Can I do one more?
Una pa lang kinakabahan ako kasi nakaganto siya. Pag nakatitig ako sa mata niya, biglang tinawag niya ako. So doon pa lang kinakabahan na ako.
What's your name?
Pamela po.
Pamela. Join me up here.
Nakakapot mo.
Oh my, guys, relax!
Oh, relax.
Relax.
Makita lang niya yung kaluluwa niyo.
Relax. Pamela, stand right over here.
Then sabi niya sa akin, tumayo lang daw ako.
Harap ko sa kanila. Yan. Atras tayo ng konti, Pam, para kita ng lahat. Hands on your sides like so. Every time I will touch you here, taas tong kamay.
And pag kinulbit niya ako, itataas ko lang at ibababa agad yung kamay ko.
Baba. Sige, baba ka agad. This time, close your eyes.
Then pinapikit niya ako. Pagka-pikit, pinakulbit sa akin. So, ganun. Tapos mamaya, habang patagal, yung kuryente sa buong katawan ko, parang nagaganon-ganon siya. Yung mata ko, gusto kong imulat, pero nagalaw-galaw siya. Tapos yung pakiramdam sa loob ko, nagaganyan ako. Parang matutumba na. Tapos ang daming natakbo sa harap ko. Then,
be sensitive.
yung kulbit niya sa akin, sobrang diin, as in sobrang diin. Kaya ramdam na ramdam ko na kukulbitin niya ako, tas itatas ko.
Natatakot ako ito. Yung energy ko parang payat niya. Open your eyes.
Then, nung pagbulat ko ng mata, lahat ng energy nawala sa akin.
Was I touching her?
Tinanong ni Sir sa mga sisi kung kinulbit daw ako, sabi daw hindi.
Natatakot ako pag tinodo ko ng konting-konti yung energy. Baka dumalasik si Pamela.
Akala ko talaga kinulbit ako. Hindi pala.
Hi, what's your name? Ikaw.
Ay, sorry, Kate.
Kate, join me here. Pwede ako makahiram ng upuan. Kate, upuan. Relax. Relax. Ignore them. Like completely relax, ignore them. And look somewhere na you can stare. Somewhere dito. Maybe there? Sige.
Nung una kasi, ano siya, di ba pinatitig niya ako sa kung saan ako tititig. So, tumitig ako sa home suite.
Just stare at it. And as you stare at it, make yourself more and more relaxed. In a moment, I'm gonna count down from 10 to 0. Each countdown should make you more and more relaxed. So when we get to 0, I need you to be completely relaxed and close your eyes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, double the relaxation, 3, triple it, 2, 1, and 0. Completely relax, close your eyes. Completely relax. Kate, I want you to imagine right now you're inside your classroom, back in your elementary days. And you can see all the numbers written on it from 1 to 10. Nice and big. Nod your head, yes, if you can see the numbers. Now, Kate, imaginein mo, pumapasok yung best friend mo nung elementary. Sabihin na wala nakita mo tong person na to. Ano yung name ng person? Nocolene.
Tapos tapos nagulat ako, narinig ko yung sasabihin ko palang na pangalan na sabi niya na. Which is yung best friend ko na dumating. Sabi niya, Pauline. Sabay kami nag-Pauline. Tapos nagulat ako, sabi ko, ha?
Imagine si Pauline may hawak-hawak na eraser and she's erasing the number after ng 3 o yung number bago mag-5. Until it's a complete space between 3 and 5. Nod your head, yes, if you can see the space. Kate, what we are actually doing here is that we're erasing that number in your conscious mind. In a moment, I'm gonna count down. In a moment, I'm gonna have you count from 1 to 10.
Nung pinabilang niya ako ng 1 to 10,
But as you try hard to say that number, you will not be able to say that number. In fact, as you try hard to say it, it's as if nasa dulo lang siya ng dila mo, completely forgetting that number. Slowly count from 1 to 10.
3. Kada sabi ko ng 4, para siyang may something talaga sa body or connected sa katawan ko na sa utak ko na alam ko naman yung number pero para kang natatawa.
5,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
we're gonna try to count down from 10 to 1. 10,
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Tapos, habang nagbibilang ako ng 10 pa 1, is nafe-feel ko na parang naglalaylo yung body ko, na parang bumabagsak ako unti-unti. Tapos hanggang sa gumagano na ako. Alam ko naman eh. Pero pag sinabi kong 4, ganon, nauutal.
3, 2, 1.
slowly open your eyes. Go like this. We're gonna count your fingers.
1, 2, 3.
Five.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
11 fingers.
Dagdagan ka ng isang puno.
Ang weird dito is that when I snap my fingers, instantly you will forget your name. It's as if nasa dulo lang din siya ng dila mo. My name is Nomer. What's your name?
Ace.
RD. You are?
My name is... My name is...
Sa K pa lang nababanggitin ko, hindi ko na mabanggit. Kasi para akong may something sa likod na natatawa ko na hindi ko ma-explain. Basta merong something sa buong katawan ko na para akong naninigas na nalalamig na may pumipigil sa akin. Ganon.
Ang weird dito is nakakahawa to. The person that you will touch, as that person try to say his name, makakalimutan niya rin yung pangalan niya. Like, choose someone na hindi tawag dito, nagvo-volunteer, but just choose someone at random. You won't believe it, that person will forget yung name niya. Believe it or not. Yeah. My name is Nomer. What is your name?
Scarlett.
You are?
Parang sino-choke yung dila ko pag gusto ko nang banggitin. Actually, is yung unang kong banggitin, pero hindi ko talaga masabi, which is nickname ko naman kasi yon. Tapos sabi ko kay Tokyo na full name. Pag gusto kong banggitin yung Crizella, first name ko, hindi ko talaga, alam mo yung parang gusto mo na siyang sabihin, nasa utak mo na, parang banggitin mo na lang, hindi ko talaga siya masasabi, parang may pumipigil sa dila ko.
As long as hawak mo siya, pakakalimutan niya yung pangalan niya, hindi niya maaalala yung pangalan niya. Ang weird dito is that bumabalik siya sa grade 4. Ang weird dito is bumabalik siya sa grade 4, like para siyang bata. Ang weird dito is that, when I touch her, or him, or her, hindi niya na alam yung gender niya. Are you a he or a she or an it? What's your pronoun?
Gusto kong sabihin yung gender na bi, since like I am bisexual, pero hindi talaga eh. Tapos sabi ko female, hindi ko mabanggit. Nasa dulo na siya ng dila ko. Sabi ko, kulang na lang magmumura ako, bakit ganun?
And instantly like that, you can remember your name. What's your name?
Crizella.
Yeah, perfect. Bigyan na siya palakpakan. Ang weird dito is that this is your name. Nasa akin pa siya. What's your name? Ang weird dito is that, like, watch this. What's your name?
Kate. Nung ginanon niya sa akin pala yung pangalan ko, nung binato niyang ganun yung pangalan ko, parang meron akong sinubo na biglang gumanon. Tapos yan, nasabi ko na yung pangalan kong Kate.
That was my time. My name is Nomer. Kate, everyone, thank you so much. Examine. Check if it's solid. Solid na? The fork is solid also. I'll do it from here. Direct, malagkit pa yung tinidor. Parang may palabok. Now watch. If I put the ring here, of course, kasyang-kasya siya. If I put the ring here, see, it doesn't fit. Yeah. But you know, I do things the hard way. Now watch. Watch the ring. Pahawak dito. Make sure hindi ako makakalabas. Watch. You know what's weird about this ring is that even though solid na solid siya, I can make it malleable. Like, kaya ko ipasok yung daliri ko like that. What's weird about this ring is that if I put it here, ang seryoso nyo guys, grabe. If I put the ring here, I take it like so, comes back. Solid fork. I don't know if you've seen the movie Matrix. Scarlett, come up here. I'll put it back straight. Go like this. Close. Feel that?
Ala, umikot. Pagpasok sa akin ng tinidor, pagpasok, sabi ko, medyo bend, di ba yun? Tapos pagkahawak ko, wait lang, nag-twist siya, pinitwist niya, tapos maluwag lang naman yung paghawak ko, wala lang, ganun lang, chill. Tapos wala naman, pagka-flip, sabi ko, wait lang. Tapos nagulat ako, wait lang, bakit parang naka-curl siya?
Is this familiar to you?
Higit na siya.
Ha?
Wala na.
Na-feel mo na nag-twist sa loob. Try to put it back. Gano'n siya katigas? It's not possible. Kahit ako hindi ko kaya.
Hi, I'm Jai. Big shoutout kay Sheena Villarojo and Angelica Amboy. Comment down your favorite content creator para ma-shoutout kayo sa susunod na episode. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell para maging updated kayo sa mga episode natin dito sa The House of Collab Season 8.